Hey, what's up, wait, I sound like Fat Albert there. Some of you kids don't even know who that is. But anyway, hey, what's up, guys? Soldier Knows Best here. Back with an unboxing of the new iPad. This is not the iPad mini, not the iPad Pro, just the regular iPad. But anyway, while I'm unboxing this, it's going to go over some of the specs. Now, one of the major things spec-wise is going to be the inclusion of the 64-bit A10 Fusion processor inside of it. So this processor is going to be great for 4K video editing, playing the latest games, and really doing a lot of stuff in multitasking. This processor can handle it all. And also you can choose to get this iPad with either 32 or 128 gigabytes of storage. And there still is an LTE option for the iPad if you want to be able to connect to the internet no matter where you are. Now this iPad is also going to be able to get you 10 hours for battery life, which is pretty nice. But it still only has Bluetooth 4.2. I believe it should be bumped up to Bluetooth 5.0 at this point, but what can you do? And so inside of the box, you're gonna get all the usual suspects. You're gonna get the lightning cable, the wall adapter, and also documentation. And really the iPad itself, when you look at it, when you pick it up and feel it, it's really not much change from the iPad that you can buy just a few days ago. It's pretty much the same when it comes to looks. You still get the options for silver, space gray, and gold. And it still has that same 9.7-inch Retina display, which still looks good. But besides the A10 processor, why would you want to buy this tablet? Well, the main reason is going to be for its support with the Apple Pencil, which used to be just for the iPad Pro, but they're bringing it down to this iPad as well. But you can't buy this with the iPad, or it doesn't come bundled. You can't get any type of special deal. You still have to buy the Apple Pencil separately, which is going to run you $99. And so Apple's main focus with this tablet is for education, but for the consumer who's going to be buying it and also buying the Apple Pencil, you're going to be buying it for something that's going to help you with productivity like note-taking and working with the new updated iWork suite of apps like Pages, Numbers, and Keynote. And so the pencil works just like it does on the iPad Pro. Still going to be pressure sensitive, so you can make a thicker line just by pressing down a little bit more. So, really this iPad, it is a new iPad, but it's not the iPad I think people are expecting. And I think that's going to come with the next version of the iPad Pro, which could be launched later this year. And so I can see when that new iPad comes out, it could possibly have things like Face ID and other things like that that can make it really feel like a true new iPad. This one I think is going to be great for people who haven't purchased an iPad maybe in 3+ years, and you're looking for something that's going to be faster, and maybe you have an iPad that doesn't have Touch ID, something like that. But I think if you purchase an iPad within the last 2 years, this upgrade is going to be very hard to justify unless you just really want the cheaper iPad with support for the Apple Pencil. And so for $329, this is still kind of the standard when it comes to tablets in this price range, and it really doesn't have that much competition. So I think Apple still is going to be doing well with this. But these are just my thoughts and my unboxing of this new iPad. I do want to know what you think, so leave your comment down below. And also, please be sure to subscribe to my channel. And even if you already subscribed, make sure you do hit that notification bell as well, so you'll be notified every single time I upload a new video. And follow me on my social media networks. Those links are down below. But like always, I want to thank you for watching this video, and I will catch you later. Peace.